In a world where traffic jams meet the skies, a new era of transportation is taking flight. From the revolutionary PAL V Liberty that drives and flies within minutes, to the airspeeder Mk4, a hydrogen-powered racing machine soaring at 360 kilometers per hour, the boundaries between car and aircraft are disappearing. The Samsung Sky Switchblade, XPeng X3, and ALF Model A are not just vehicles. They're visions of tomorrow, merging engineering brilliance with the dream of personal flight. As the race to conquer the air intensifies, these flying cars are redefining what it means to move, to travel, and to dream. The future isn't coming, it's already airborne. The ALF Model A represents a bold leap into the future of personal transportation, seamlessly blending the practicality of a car with the limitless possibilities of flight. Designed by ALF Aeronautics, this fully electric vehicle redefines mobility with its ability to drive and take off vertically, giving commuters the freedom to soar above traffic and reach their destinations faster than ever before. Powered by 8 electric motors, the Model A utilizes VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing technology, eliminating the need for traditional runways and allowing it to operate even in confined urban areas. On the road, it delivers an impressive 200-mile driving range, while in the air, it offers a 110-mile flying range, making it ideal for both city travel and short regional trips. Inside, innovation meets comfort. The cabin is designed to rotate automatically, keeping passengers upright during flight for a smooth and stable experience. Safety and efficiency are at the core of every detail, supported by advanced aerodynamics and cutting-edge battery technology. Priced around $300,000, the Model A is currently progressing through FAA certification, with the first deliveries expected by late 2025. With over 3,000 pre-orders already secured, ALF Aeronautics stands on the brink of transforming how we move, ushering in a new era where the dream of flying cars becomes an everyday reality. Developed by XPeng Aero HT, the X3 is a revolutionary hybrid electric flying car that represents a perfect blend of cutting-edge automotive engineering and advanced aviation technology. This futuristic vehicle showcases a sleek aerodynamic design with 8 propellers cleverly integrated into a retractable roof-mounted system, allowing effortless transitions between driving on roads and flying through the air. Weighing approximately 1,936 kilograms, the X3 delivers remarkable performance both on land and in the sky, offering an airborne range of up to 100 kilometers and capable of reaching speeds of 150 kilometers per hour while driving. On the ground, it features a 6-wheel suspension system combined with all-wheel drive, ensuring exceptional stability, traction, and comfort during road operations. Safety remains a top priority for XPeng Aero HT, with the X3 built around a carbon fiber composite fuselage for enhanced strength and crash resistance, along with redundant electric propulsion systems designed to maintain flight control even in case of motor failure. With these innovations, the X3 promises not only performance but peace of mind. Scheduled for mass production in 2026, this groundbreaking model is poised to redefine urban and regional mobility, bridging the gap between cars and aircraft. The XPeng X3 offers a thrilling glimpse into a near future where personal flight becomes part of everyday life, marking a monumental step toward the era of practical flying vehicles. The airspeeder Mk4, developed by ALA Aeronautics, marks a revolutionary breakthrough in both personal aviation and motorsport technology. Recognized as the world's first crewed hydrogen-electric flying racing car, it embodies the future of high-speed aerial competition. Engineered for extreme performance, the Mk4 can reach a top speed of 360 kilometers per hour, 225 miles per hour, and accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 30 seconds, rivaling the performance of elite Formula One cars and modern fighter jets. Weighing around 950 kilograms, this remarkable machine is powered by a 1,340 horsepower Thunderstrike hydrogen turbo generator, delivering clean, powerful, and efficient propulsion. With a range of up to 300 kilometers, 188 miles, it combines endurance with blistering speed, all while maintaining a zero-carbon footprint. The Mk4's innovative design features 8 shielded rotors mounted on AI-controlled gimbals, giving it superior agility, stability, and precision during flight maneuvers. Every aspect of its construction, from lightweight materials to aerodynamic shaping, has been optimized for racing performance and pilot safety. Scheduled to make its official debut in 2024, the Airspeeder Mk4 is set to redefine aerial motorsport, merging cutting-edge aerospace engineering with the thrill of competition. By combining hydrogen power, electric innovation, and advanced AI flight systems, the Mk4 isn't just a racing machine. It's a glimpse into the next era of sustainable high-speed aviation. The Samson Sky Switchblade is a groundbreaking roadable aircraft that merges the versatility of a car with the excitement and innovation of personal flight. Designed as a three-wheeled hybrid vehicle, the Switchblade can transform from a street-legal car into a fully functional aircraft in under 3 minutes, offering unmatched convenience and futuristic mobility. Powered by a hybrid electric Skybrid system, it features a 260 horsepower engine that runs on regular automotive fuel, making it both practical and efficient. In flight, it achieves a cruising speed of 160 miles per hour and covers a range of up to 450 miles, providing both speed and endurance for personal or business travel. On the ground, its sleek aerodynamic design, inspired by Ferrari's signature styling, ensures high performance and visual appeal. The Switchblade's retractable wings and tail fold neatly into the body when in driving mode, minimizing drag and ensuring smooth, safe road handling. Built with precision engineering and advanced materials, it promises a perfect balance between aerodynamics, safety, and style. With over 2,400 reservations already placed in more than 50 countries, the Switchblade has captured global attention as a symbol of innovation in personal air mobility. Production is set to begin in 2026, with an estimated price of $170,000, marking a major step toward a future where flying cars are no longer science fiction, but a part of everyday life. The PAL-V Liberty is a remarkable innovation that bridges the worlds of automotive design and aviation engineering, offering an exciting preview of the future of personal air mobility. This two-seat gyroplane is designed to provide the ultimate freedom of movement, seamlessly transitioning from a road vehicle to an aircraft in just 5 minutes. On the ground, the Liberty delivers an impressive top speed of 170 kilometers per hour and an extended driving range of up to 1,300 kilometers, making it ideal for both city commuting and long-distance travel. Once airborne, it transforms into a high-performance aircraft capable of flying at speeds up to 180 kilometers per hour, with a range between 400 and 500 kilometers, and can soar to a maximum altitude of 11,000 feet. Its compact and aerodynamic design enables it to take off and land on short runways of about 180 meters, expanding its usability beyond conventional airports. Built with precision engineering, the PAL-V Liberty combines lightweight materials, advanced rotor technology, and a highly efficient dual-engine system to ensure safety, stability, and performance. While it is currently in the process of obtaining full aviation certification, the Liberty already stands as a major milestone in the journey toward making flying cars a practical reality. By merging the convenience of driving with the thrill of flight, the PAL-V Liberty redefines the meaning of personal freedom and mobility in the modern age.